In this video, we are going to discuss about a haloform reaction. It is very important in that what exam. Every year, either directly or indirectly, they are asking one question in the exam, either in NEET or IIT. Now, what is a haloform reactions? Generally, it is an oxidation reaction. Now, when we are taking the alcohols are reacting with the halogens in the presence of an alkali. Upon heating, we will get that what? An haloform reaction. Now, this is the general formula of an haloform, CxH3 plus we will get that what? HCOO, Ne, H2O and 5 moles of Ni is going to be what? Formed. Now, what kind of questions they will ask in this topic means, they will ask number of moles. How many moles of alkali we are using? 6 moles of alkali we are using. Then how many moles of halogens we are using? 4 moles of halogens we are using always. Next, sometimes instead of these halogens in the presence of base, sometimes they may give NaOH. NaOH they will give. How this NaOH is formed means, when this NaOH is reacting with the halogen, NaOH is reacting with the halogen, we'll get that what? One hydrogen, one halogen is eliminating as a what? HX, and the remaining will be formed as a what? NaOH, sodium hypohalite. Sodium hypohalite. Okay, no? Next, instead of this alkali, they may use any one. Either they may ask NaOH, they may ask KOH, they may ask calcium hydroxide, or they may ask barium hydroxide, or they may give any Na2CO3. Any one of these they will ask in this alkali. Next, what will be happen? Now, CHCl3 means chloroform, CHBr3 means bromoform. Generally, bromoform will forms pale yellow precipitate. Now, CHI3 is called as a what? Iodoform, which is called as a what? Yellow precipitate. Now, this is chloroform is white PPT. Next, how they are asking the questions like this, they will give some species. Now, this is undergoing haloform reaction or not. First, how to identify this kind of questions means, now generally the compounds, the alcohols which are having CH3 CHOH group, so now CH3 CHOH group, then always they will give that what? An haloform reaction. This group is present means the alcohols which are present this group, definitely they will give an haloform reaction. Here Z means any atoms or any groups. Instead of Z, hydrogen may be present, CH3 may be present, C6H5 may be present. Here Z means any group. Any group or any atom. It may be any atom, any group. That may be hydrogen or that may be methyl, phenyl, ethyl, propyl, whatever it may be. This group is present means definitely they will give an haloform test. Next, see now how it is converting into product means, see now here CH3 is there, no? That CH3 is converting into chloroform. And the remaining form is remaining ZCHO, you can write as a what? This one, like this. Okay, like this we have to write simple. First CH3 CHOH group is present or not, you check. After that this CH3 group is converting into haloform. The remaining is you write as it is. Now here NaOH we are taking means here we are going to get Na plus, like that. Now see now here, now this compound will give haloform test or not. Now according to our trick, this is containing that what? CH3 CHOH group is there, so therefore it will give that what? An haloform test. In that haloform test, here what is given? Halogen is given as a what? Bromine in the presence of basic medium. Then the CH3 group is converting into what? Here what halogen we are taken? Bromine we are taken, so therefore it is converting into an bromoform. Plus, what is the remaining product? Remaining product is oxidized CH3 CHO. Now remaining product you can write as it is CH3COO minus. Okay, now like this we can write. Now this is called as a what? A bromoform. Next, this compound will give the haloform test or not? CH3 CHOH C6H5. Yes, our compound is having that what? CH3 CHOH group. CH3 CHOH group is there. So therefore it will give haloform test. Here what halogen is given, iodine is given. So therefore what we can write here, this CH3 part is converting into what, iodine. Here halogen is iodine, so therefore we'll get iodoform. Next remaining what is there, this is remaining. Now C6H5 remaining you should write as a what, an oxidized form. This is. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. Now see, now here this is bond line structure. Here what is there, CH3 is there. Now CH3 CHOH, so therefore it is containing that what, CH3 CHOH group. So therefore it is also will gives an haloform test. Now here given halogen is what, bromine. How many moles of halogen we have to take? 4 moles. How many moles of alkali we have to take? 6 moles. Then what we are going to get, this CH3 is converting into what, an bromoform. Remaining product means this one. 1 2 3 4 carbons are present. Now 4 carbons, 1 2 3 4 COO minus. This is we are going to get. Now this compound will give the haloform test or not. So now this is CH3 CH2 CHOH. This is not containing that what, CH3 CHOH group is not present. This group is not present in this compound. So therefore it won't give haloform test. It will give negative test with what, haloform. Negative test it will gives. Next this will give this haloform test or not. Now CH3 CH2 CHOH, no, this group is not present. CH3 CHOH group, but here that group is not present, so therefore it will give negative test. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. This compound will give haloform test or not. Yes, this compound will give that what, an iodoform test, positive iodoform test. Now CH3 CHOH, yes, our group is present. Now CH3 CHOH group is present means they will give haloform test. In that group CH3 is converting into what, haloform, CHI3. The remaining product is oxidized form. Then remaining what is there, phenyl group. Next COO minus. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. CH3 CH2 CHOH. There is no CH3 CHOH group is not there, so therefore it won't give haloform test. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. No, CH3 CHOH group is not present, so therefore it is also won't give haloform test. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. There is no CH3 CHOH group, so therefore it is also won't give haloform test. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. See now here, and this is what, CH3 CHOH. So CH3 CHOH group is present, so therefore it will give an haloform test. It will use that what, an haloform test. For suppose reacting with NaOH in the presence of chlorine, giving this one means what we can write, it will give haloform. Now here the halogen is what, CH, halogen is what, chlorine, so therefore we will get chloroform, plus remaining product is what, remaining is this COO. Now here carbon is there, COO minus. Here what we are taken, that base NaOH we are taken, so therefore we will get Na plus. What we are taking the base based upon this. For suppose here we are using KOH, then we are going to get what, K plus. Like that we can write. Next this compound will give haloform test or not. Yes, CH3 CHOH group is present, so therefore it will give an haloform test. Okay, like this we can solve that what questions. Thank you.